Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Dini Minarti Arsulemanti, ID number 441419030, class chemistry education B, 5 semester. Okay, here I will present about synthesis urea-hydrogen peroxide. The experiment synthesis urea-hydrogen peroxide. Objective is synthesis urea-hydrogen peroxide. You have P crystal and qualitative. Literature review. Hydrogen peroxide is commonly used chemical compound with the formula in pure liquid form. It has a distinctive din sorry distinctive pale blue color. However, in a mixture with sleek, healthy serve odor. Okay, next to material and tools. Material and tools. Tools: beaker glass, layer, oven, measuring cup, spatula, thermometer, watch glass, filter, vinyl, urea, hydrogen peroxide, aqueous, manganese oxide. Okay, next to experiment work scheme. Number 1. Synthesis hydrogen peroxide. Start measuring 30 H2O2 solution by 3,4 milli and insert it into layer 10 milli. When urea solid as much 1,2 gram and applying into a layer containing a solution of H2O2 later, stir until the urea solid. Fill a 2050 ml chemical glass with 1050 ml of tap water and add to 60 Celsius using an holder water. Dipping a layer containing a 30% H2O2 solution or urea solid into all chemical glass heated about water head lit until the solution becomes clear. Move the solution on the wedge glass so that the solvent can be compound slowly until there is a crystal made shaped. Synthetic urea crystal. Next to qualitative analysis. UHP crystal synthesis. When synthesis crystal yield of 0,1 gram and insert it into the test tube. The surface synthesis crystal with 2 milli aqueous, adding a little MnO2 solid to the test tube. Observing O2 gas bubbles forming, 0,2 gas bubbles are formed. Finish. Okay, next to treatment or result. Number 1, method 1. Synthesis urea-hydrogen peroxide. Weigh the solid urea and put in a Patrick. Measure 7,5 of the H2O2 solution and pat. Next, beaker filled with 1000 ml of tap water. A petri dish containing a mixture of pure H2O2 is placed on a beaker filled with water. Result: urea weighing 0,8 grams separate with crystal solid. Next, boiling water next to needle sharpest crystal. Okay, treatment to number 2. Method 2. Qualitative analysis. Weighing 0,1 gram of synthesis 2050 crystal and put it a test tube, adding 3 ml of water to the test tube, adding half a spatula of MnO2 into the test tube. Result observation: as much as 0,1 gram produce bubbles. Solution is gray, there is black precipitate. Okay, next to this question. Urea is a single organic compound composite to the element carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen, and this practicum synthesis urea-hydrogen peroxide. The analysis UHP crystal format qualitative, the first step to weigh to 0,8 gram urea and put in it in a petri dish, then take 7,5 ml of 3% H2O2 solution. The next step to add 1000 ml of aqueous in glass beaker to a temperature of 60 Rajet after the aqueous pulse. 5 ml of 3% H2O2 is added by filtering a header so that the solution evaporates and can form crystal. CONH4 plus H2O result called O2 plus NH3. Okay, UHP crystal has advantages over H2O in the synthesis of UHP crystal. The mass of UHP crystal is of 0,564 grams. The crystal obtained are cleaner in a different of traits. Okay, the qualitative test. In the qualitative test, the UHP synthesis crystal bayonet was was had and the weight 0,1 grams. Put into a test tube, the add 2 ml of distilled water until dissolved and clear so produce a few bubbles. For them hop, solid MnO2 black was it in the first stage of gas bubbles, the decomposition of H2O2. The solution in the test tube is gray-black in color and there are bubbles of O2 gas and there is black participate. Again, next to conclusion. Experiments have been carried on the synthesis of urea-hydrogen peroxide (UHP) and qualitative analysis of the result in the synthesis UHP. In the synthesis of urea-hydrogen peroxide in produce with the rate like our needle-shaped crystal and a crystal mass of 0,64 grams. The qualitative analysis of the result of the UHP synthesis result in a gray-black solution. There were bubbles and the was black participate. Okay, thank you for attention.